Hey guys, are you want to buy best USB-C to HDMI adapter? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best USB-C to HDMI adapter that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at UtechSmart USB-C Hub. USB-C Hub is a cost-effective Protexio PC Hub is a cost-effective solution perfect for work or entertainment. It features a 1000 meters Ethernet port, 4K HDMI output, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 5 gigabits per second, and a 100 West USB-C power delivery port ideal for charging devices like laptops, Steam Decks, and Chromecast. With advanced heat dissipation and stable connections, it ensures device safety and data security. Enjoy lightning-fast data transfer and seamless internet access for smooth streaming, gaming, and file downloads. The 4K HDMI port delivers crystal clear video, perfect for immersive viewing or editing. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Steam OS. It's plug and play with no drivers needed. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. The UtechSmart Hub is a reliable and powerful upgrade to your USB-C setup. Now our second product is Warkey USB-C HDMI cable. The Warkey USB-C HDMI cable delivers effortless plug-and-play performance with stunning 4K at 60G resolution, also supporting 1440p at 144G. And 1080p at 240G. Perfect for mirroring or extending your device to TVs, monitors, or projectors. No drivers or Wi-Fi needed. Its one-way connection USB-C to HDMI supports HDCP for smooth media streaming. Crafted with precision, it features a gold-plated connector, aluminum casing for heat dissipation, and thick copper wiring to minimize signal loss. The nylon-braided cable adds durability, while the non-slip grip ensures easy handling. Designed for devices with DP Alt mode or Thunderbolt 3/4. It's compatible with a wide range of laptops, tablets, and phones, including MacBook, iPad Pro, iPhone 15, Steam Deck, Surface, Samsung Galaxy, and more. Warkey combines elegant design with reliability backed by responsive support within 18 hours. A top-tier cable for both work and entertainment. Our third product is Acasis USB-C Hub. The Acasis 6-in-1 USB-C HDMI adapter is a versatile and compact hub that meets all your connectivity needs. It features a 4K at 60Ga HDMI port, 3 USB-A 3.1 ports, 1 USB-C 3.1 data port, and a 100 West USB-C PD charging port, ideal for expanding displays, fast data transfer, and high-speed charging. This adapter is perfect for laptops, tablets, and phones. Just ensure your device supports video output USB 4.0, Thunderbolt 3 or 4. Enjoy crystal clear visuals on a single external monitor. Lightning-fast file transfers 1 GB in seconds, and seamless multitasking. The compact and well-spaced square design makes it travel-friendly and prevents cable clutter. Backed by a 24-month warranty, Acasis ensures quality and peace of mind. Whether for work or entertainment, this hub delivers reliable performance on the go. Now, number 4. Asar USB-C HDMI adapter. The Acer 3-inch-1 USB-C Hub is a compact and efficient solution for expanding your device's connectivity. Featuring a 4K at 30G HDMI output, a USB-A 3.0 port, and a 100 West PD charging port. It's perfect for streaming, working, or presenting on larger screens. Enjoy crystal clear visuals on TVs, monitors, or projectors. Just ensure your USB-C device supports DisplayPort Alt mode. The hub delivers rapid file transfers up to 5 gigabits per second and fast charging for compatible Laptops and tablets charging port only charges the host device. Built with a durable aluminum shell for heat dissipation. It offers broad compatibility with MacBooks, iPads, USB-C, Surface, Dell, HP, Switch, and more. Lightweight and plug-and-play. It's ideal for office, travel, or home entertainment. Note: not compatible with devices using Lightning ports, portable monitors, or some Android tablets. A smart, versatile upgrade for any tech setup. And our last choice is Benfei USB-C HDMI adapter. The Benfei USB-C to HDMI adapter is a compact, high-performance solution for connecting USB-C devices to HDMI displays. Ideal for business presentations, home entertainment, or extending your desktop. This lightweight adapter fits easily into any bag or pocket. It features a built-in advanced IC chip that ensures stable signal conversion from USB-C to HDMI. Just make sure your device supports DP Alt Mode, delivering resolutions up to 4K at 60 GCC, including 2K at 144GE and 1080p. It guarantees crystal clear visuals on monitors, projectors, or HD TVs. The gold-plated USB-C connector resists wear and enhances signal strength, while the molded strain relief improves durability. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max, MacBooks, Chromebooks, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, and more. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support, Benfei offers a reliable and portable HDMI solution for everyday use. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.